The best way to work efficiently is to repurpose your videos. That way you expand your influence and save in time. Hey guys, it's Ola from Income Ola, and today I'm going to show you how to repurpose your YouTube video to YouTube Short, TikTok or Instagram Reels. We're going to do it in Premiere Pro. Stay tuned for that. So let's say I have this video. I'm going into my project. And as you can see, I have here regular video. You see regular format video, nothing different. And let's say I want to repurpose this video, reframe it. I want to make a vertical video out of it so I can post it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok or Instagram Reels. So first of all, of course, I have to make it shorter because right now it's almost 3 minutes, but I'll do it later. I just want to show you how to reframe the whole thing. So first of all, let's find the sequence here. Let's say this is the sequence. Yeah, this is the sequence. From the menu, click on sequence and scroll down to auto reframe sequence. So you already see that last time I reframed it, I used vertical 9:16, but from here you can choose square for Facebook or vertical 4:5 or horizontal, regular or custom. So we'll stay with the vertical because I want to use it for TikTok. And here you can choose nest or don't nest the clips, and the difference is just if you already did some kind of movement or transitions. One of them don't nest and the second one nest clips, which mean that it keep motion adjustment but remove the transitions. So I usually don't touch it, I leave it on don't nest and I click on create. And as you can see, this is vertical format. On the right side you see it's analyzing for auto reframe. We have to wait a little bit until it's done, but you already can see the results. I'm in frame, it focused on me. So usually Adobe Premiere Pro do really good job, but sometimes the frame isn't serving my purpose. Here, look, they're really good. They're showing what I'm showing. But sometimes they don't do a really good job and you still can reframe things by yourself. My name is not in frame, it's too big. So I find the graphic here, this one, and I'll go all the way down and you see here adjust position. If you look down you see reframe offset, and here I can move it and I can make it smaller, and now it's okay. Let's make it even 70 and move it to the left, and now you will see that it's in frame. How to change YouTube banner on phone, Android. So that's how you can choose any element here and reframe it on the bottom side of the menu here. If you don't see this menu, it's on effect controls. So that's how you repurpose your YouTube video to be TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels or any other format as you wish. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye creators.